What's up, my beautiful people? Check in, your boy Knife Ninja there up on the ground. So, guys, this is going to be a short video. You guys saw where I did a shorts as it relates to my virgin business from nothing to something, you know what I mean? The youth talented, you know what I mean? Bad. So, we are past Maninzil and we decided to stop and give him a bad shout out and just make him see what the youth can do. Again, if you don't want to do anything, building, construction, renovation, anything at all, electrical, plumbing too, everything from nothing to something, you understand? The name speaks for itself, guys. So, I'm going a quick run through, make you see what him can do. The youth talented, so just watch what I go on. Alright guys, so general listener, him there up on the ground from nothing to something, guys. I'm not going to talk to him, I make him say a few cents in the camera, but just look at this beautiful piece. So it's a restaurant, peeps, and I mean it's located on Maninzil Road on the plaza. I'm not quite sure the plaza name, but as you can see the design, everything was orchestrated by the general. Yeah, man. The place look really nice, you know what I mean? So as I was saying, anything at all, so the bathroom there, if you don't want in the toilet get installed or, you know, any little thing, some skill like that, you see it. But nobody watch this way, I do have definitely when the restaurant have the opening, I go there and just to catch, you know, how the place, the final product. But when you can see the ceiling, I love the LED wrap around the ceiling, guys. Yeah man, it looks really spectacular. And the colors on the wall and everything. Yeah man, it look nice, man, I lie. So I say the place probably 90–80% finish. Well, him would I know still. So SMG, talk to me now.
There upon the other camera. Nothing happened before the time. I want to tell you, so I come by the name still from nothing to something. I grew up in a family yard where I always hear these negative thoughts in my head, so I become workless like my father. You understand what I say? And I do construction work. I'm a certified electrician, but I don't like to be sit down and wait for one thing to be happening. So I tell myself, so guess what? I'm going to push myself to the limit because for me, the sky is the limit. So one night I lay down in my bed and I say, God, I need a name and I need a business to start. Because I tell myself this, I'm not going to reach the age where my father reached and still I do hard work. I don't believe in that. I'm going to change the area. So I'm going to say, Bama, my dear, lay down, touch like 2 o'clock, still not get a name. 3 o'clock, still not get a name. By 4:30, I'm going to hear in my head from nothing to something. So from that, that's how it starts, from nothing to something, as you can see. The AKG, it stands.
What the AKG stand for?
All right, the A for Aisha, the K is for Kevin and Kason, and the G is for Gabriel. So the family is coming from nothing to something. So are the three of us, yeah, and trust me, we are going to go large and we are going to go wide. So big up to Knife Ninja all the time. Him pass by and stop and he give me a short view. Peace out.
Alright guys, so this is the entrance, the chandelier. So when you step in, this is the first thing that you see. The chandelier, I like the design, nice ceiling, as I said, the general, him orchestrate everything, you know what I mean? And the whole wallpaper, over here, so you can see there's another chandelier up here, so. And one more over right, so you understand. So the place look good, I don't lie, peeps. The youth are going with himself, you know what I mean? So one more chandelier right, so. So I can just imagine when this finish. Yeah man, from nothing to something. Again guys, we'll leave him information in the description, phone number, and it'll up on the screen as well. And you can reach out to him directly, you understand? The place look good. Yeah man. And you know him a do, is it? That are the next thing about it. A whole lot of people say them know trade, but that youth, him know him a do. And this is his resume. So you don't need no paperwork. You come and look for yourself and come check him out. And if you don't want it to get done, you can come and do it on yourself. You know, you can check on it on yourself, man. Do it skill. So I install the next chandelier, guys. Make sure it's everything, measurement right and all of that. That is it, man. So we do it in the peeps. We believe in a talent and we believe in a purpose, you understand? Yes, no man. So we can just imagine. The youth skill, man. No joke about it. The lighting, for me personally, lighting them nice. And see, once you have proper lighting in a business place, oh, it's another one that all them have the big and the medium and the small. Nice. That is it, man. So guys, check him out. You know what I mean? Him information there in the description again. From nothing to something, your boy Knife Ninja represent.